weekend.
Good evening, I'm Caitlin Conrad. Thank you for joining us. After failing to pass a tax levy in 2012, Fire District 5 has found the money to pay for new engines. News 10's Ashley Carrasco explains how the big investment is expected to spark better fire service in the area. Ashley?
Good evening, Caitlin. The new fire engines are costing Fire District 5 $750,000. This comes nearly 2 years after Talent Citizens declined a levy to help with the funds, as you just mentioned. Firefighters are most excited because they'll be able to use the trucks for both rural and city emergencies. The new fire trucks hold 1,000 gallons of water and come with extrication equipment. And 2 trucks the district had been using since 1980 will be stripped and donated.
It's not the most reliable piece of equipment. It's been good for us for many, many years, but it's time to move on.
The trucks also have a special feature, a roll cage welded into the cab just in case firefighters get into an accident. The district had to take out a loan to pay for the vehicles. As of this afternoon, crews had not started using or training with the apparatus. Covering your news, Ashley Carrasco, News 10.